Good day. Today's topic is how to replace a BMPRO controller. Hi, I'm Scott. I'm with the BMPRO USA support team. So let's hop on over into the demo and we'll show you how it's done. So the first thing you're going to do to replace one of these screens is grab yourself either a flathead screwdriver or some type of L-shaped tool that will allow you to get underneath the bezel and hit the retaining clips. And we'll show a picture of that on the screen as we do this. So I'm going to use for this application, because I'm in the demo box, I'm going to use this L-shaped tool. And there's like a little clip in here that you just kind of push up and it'll pop off of there. And it'll go to the other side and push up on that side. It pops off. And then it should kind of just hinge down. And behind here we have our wall plate, which is what actually the controller sits on. And you'll have a hole in the wall or cabinet, and the CAN cable will come through, and you just go ahead and push down on the clip and slide that out of there. You go grab your new screen and you come back and you grab the new one. Go ahead and plug in the CAN cable right there into that. Let it click, and then to reseat this back on the wall plate, you hinge at the top and push down on the corners, and the screen will go ahead and come on. We'll let it boot up. After the screen has fully booted, you'll want to make sure that the JAYCOMMAND app is up to date, and then pair the controller to the node. I hope you found this instruction video helpful. We'll see you next time. For more tech tips, hop on over to TeamBMPRO.com.